welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the OPPO Power Bank 2, and this model in particular happens to be the 10,000 mAh 18 watt power bank. Now on the front side, we can see what the power bank looks like. On the left as well as the right side of the packaging, we just have the OPPO branding and nothing else. There's nothing on the bottom and nothing on the top. So we'll flip the package around, and over here we can see some specifications. So the power bank actually offers up to 18 watt fast charging in both directions. So you can charge the power bank using fast charging, and you can charge devices that support fast charging using this power bank. Then, as we mentioned at the onset, this thing is rated for 10,000 mAh. It is compatible with PD, that is power delivery, QC, quick charge, and other mainstream fast charging protocols. It is also compatible with smartwatches, headphones, and other devices. It offers USB-C input and output port, and they've factored in 12 different safety assurances in this power bank. On the bottom, you can see a massive sticker with the manufacturer and importer's contact information, and there's also support contact information. That's it for the packaging. We'll go ahead and unbox it. On the inside, we find a piece of documentation, and there's the power bank itself, and lastly, a charging cable. So the documentation happens to be the user guide. Always go through the user guide to understand exactly how to operate your unit. Then the charging cable is, as we saw, it's got a USB Type-C interface on one end and a Type-A interface on the other. And if you're wondering what this little thing over here is, it's basically an adapter, which if you pull out, you can find a micro USB connector on the inside. Cable length is about 25-ish centimeters. And finally, there's the power bank. You've got a dual textured finish, a slightly bumpy texture on the left and smooth matte texture on the right. There are LED power indicators over here, and there's the OPPO branding in the center. The power bank is quite slim, as you can see, and there's a button over here which should light up the LED power indicators. There's nothing on the other side. On this end also, it's quite clean and there is nothing. The back side has some regulatory information. This will be helpful if you're carrying this power bank overseas. And finally, we've got the charging interfaces, which includes 2 Type-A interfaces and 1 Type-C interface. So that's it for the unboxing of the OPPO Power Bank 2. Thank you for watching.